Hello and welcome to a tutorial for the 2 by 1 by 2 right purl cross. So we've got some purls to happen, we've got some right crossing to happen, and the way we do that is we work over to our 5 stitches involved, and then we need to slip the first 3 stitches onto a cable needle. And we let those hang in the back. Pick up our yarn again, and we knit 2 from the left needle, the main needle here. So now we've knit these 2 stitches. And now what we're going to do, I'm going to get the yarn out of the way so you can see what I'm doing here. We have 1 knit, 2 knits, and a purl. And this purl stitch, we are now going to slide onto the left needle tip. And these 2 stitches will continue to hang out in the back while we purl the stitch on the left needle that we just put there. There we go. And now we need to get these 2 stitches ready because it's time for them to be knit. Now what's happened to me, can happen sometimes, is they've twisted, and I can see that there's sort of 2 purl bumps, so I just need to roll those around again so they look like a knit stitch. And that can happen when you're doing a slightly more complex cable like this with both knits and purls. Sometimes when you let the needle drop again, it can twist. So just kind of keep an eye on things and just, you know, have a look. So now I am going to, let's see, if I pull this out of the way, you can see better. Now I'm just going to knit the 2 stitches off of the cable needle. And it doesn't look like much now. It looks like a little bunched up knot. But what it's going to do is it's going to take these 2 bits and it's going to right cross them, and it's going to create this nice little pinch point that the cable's narrowed down into, and then it can do its next thing.